Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a very great product for the RC hobby. Have a look. This one called Turnigy USB charger, and this one's come with XT60 connector. So that's your connector. You can use any LiPo battery, so we can put like a 3-cell, 2-cell. You can use this one up to 6 cells. So I'll show you guys, so it doesn't really matter. So you can use like see 2 cell. This is my 2, this is my 3 cells. So what is especially this for? Sorry for that grease around, I was working. So what was that for? You can use any device kind of okay, so let's put 3 cell here. Now you can see this is the on because it's light. And now, okay, give the example for you. That's my mobile phone. Have a look. That's my mobile phone, alright, and that's my USB charger with mobile phone. What do? You just put this one inside. Watch. Now you can see my mobile start charging. Hopefully you can see it. So yep, it does. You can charge the mobile phone, or you can charge your mobile phone, any devices. He can charge. It only comes out of 2 amp. Like see, I use this one for my hobby recording, you know, when I fly the models. So you can put this one as a chain key. Have a look. Now I take this my mobile phone out, put this one here. So see, little orange light is charging my key camera. When I fly recording, and you know, you don't need to take your computer if you have this whole thing. So example, see, this can charge the key camera. It can charge any devices which related to your USB. See, this is my laptop computer, so I can show you. So I can put this one. Hopefully the light will come. Oops, not this way. Come on. Here we go, guys. You can see that my fan with the USB. So that's my laptop computer thing. So basically, have a look, is all together with one battery, and it does fantastic. Like you can use for your room lamp light or anything. All right. So any more questions, just ask me and I try to help you out. And thank you for the watching, and that's all I can say.